Well, hello out there, all you friends, followers, and family. We got something special for you today. What we have laid upon forth in front of you is a 5.4 liter engine dropped out of a 2011 Shelby GT500 with only 55,000 miles on it, okay? And there's a lot going on here. School may not be in session where you're at, but school is in session here at Cleveland Power Performance, and we got a pop quiz coming up, so all you Zach Morrises in the back of the class, better listen up because you're going to be quizzed, okay? So what we got going on inside of this 5.4 liter engine, we got a couple sets of Compcams. We have Manley pistons and rods down there spinning around in that balanced rotating assembly. We got an ATI pulley down there on that crank. Beautiful stainless works long tubes for all those bald eagles to come flying out of. We got an MGW shifter on this Tremec TR6060 manual transmission, and inside of that bell housing you'll find yourself a Centerforce clutch. FORE fuel system on this thing because it's pumping a lot more of the pounds of fuel. And if that wasn't enough, you're going to be saved by the Kenne Bell right there. Okay, folks, you get yourself a Mammoth Kenne Bell on top. So if you're looking out in your garage and you're bored of that old Ford, you're gonna have to slide this into your ride. It's guaranteed to make those tires screech. You're gonna be flying down so fast, you're gonna make everybody else look like Lisa Turtle back there. You can get in this thing and put it on the chip. I mean, kapowski, and you're gone. Later, Slater. Just be careful because you got yourself a lot of power by way of this Mammoth Kenne Bell blower and all these other goodies. And you don't want to be doing the Bayside slide, so keep it between the lines. It's wired up to fire, but I'm sure you want to hear this tiger roar. It's just like this with a few clacks. Turn the key, and you're off to the max. So give us a call, folks, 866-236-5031, and make this fantastic Ford yours today.